Welcome to a new tutorial. I show you today how to connect different objects in Blender with each other with using the bool tool. The bool tool isn't installed on default, but you can go to Edit, then to Preferences, and go to Add-ons and searching for bool tool. I already have installed it, so I have the check there. Just make a check, then go to the bottom, and when autosave preferences is checked, then it saves everything when you close the window. And now we want to create an armature for our character. That we can do very easy with the skin modifier. Now select the character. And now, when we go to Skin Modifier, click on Create Armature. You see that is only the half side. Before we create an armature with the Skin Modifier, we have to apply the Mirror modifier. So go to the Mirror and apply. Back to the Skin Modifier, Create Armature, and look there. And when the armature is selected, we go to the Pose mode. We can try it out with the upper arm, and you see when we rotate it works. The fingers are not connected with our character yet. In the rigging tutorial later, I show you how to add bones to the fingers, but in this tutorial now we have to connect the fingers with the character. You can apply the modifiers from all the fingers by hand, but that takes a little bit too long. I show you how it works much easier. Select all the fingers and then go to Object and convert to Mesh. Now we get applied all the modifiers. But the very good thing is that when using the bool tool, all the modifiers will be applied automatically. Now we make some changes here with the thumb, because this is not correctly now. So we go to the edit mode. And move it more up, more inside. Maybe have a look from the side view. Just a little bit. Then we go to the left side view, wireframe and the cross and 3D cursor. Place the cursor here and rotate it a little bit. Like that, and great. And then back to object mode. We select the character and we apply the modifiers. Look what's happened when we apply the subdivision surface now. That looks very strange now, because the subdivision surface isn't on top. So at first we apply the skin modifier. And then we move the subdivision on top. And now we can apply the subdivision surface. When we connect the fingers now with the character, we will lost the connection from the armature and character, because all the modifiers will be applied. We can connect armature and character later again. And now we select at first all the fingers, and then we select the object we want to connect with, the character. We hit N and Here on edit we see the bool tool, and then just click on union, and now we have a connection. And you see that the mesh is a little bit deformed now on the hand and the fingers, but in sculpting mode later we will add and edit all the details we want. Same thing we do with the toes and also with the tail. First the tail, then the character, and then on union. And in the next video we start sculpting our character. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!